Hi guys, this is just an introduction about, for me, I'm Katie McCarthy. I grew up in Omaha. I was born and raised here, and I don't plan on leaving really until a job opportunity arises or I just end up moving for some reason. But I love Omaha, and I hope I can stay. I'm studying surgical technology and then double majoring in healthcare management as well. I went to UNO for 2.5 years before coming to Methodist. I was studying pre-nursing, and then I just decided that nursing wasn't for me. Um, a leader I admire a lot is Sarah. She is my manager, and she just really has a love for people. Just wants to get to know them, has a heart just for people, and it's really admirable. And then I also just really admire her for her strength, um, and just the type of leader she is, building people up and just allowing the workplace to be a really fun and positive environment. So, yeah, that's just a little bit about me. I'm excited for this class and just to learn more about management or leadership and what it should look like. So,